Hey guys, I'm playing Horse Simulator and I am looking for those wolves. Yeah. Let's find the case of the wolves. Okay, and then I'll check my map. We're almost there. We're just gonna pass that bat snake. Okay, let's find the wolves. Okay, I'll go past that deer, and then, oh my god. And then I think they won't fight me. And oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, they're chasing me! They're chasing me! Let's fight those wolves. Kill these wolves. Kill. Kill. Ah! Oh my god. Aw, that's a cute dog. He looks silly. What does that home look like? Let's find. And oh. And also. Okay. Where's the king's staff? Where's the king's staff? Okay. And where's the staff? Oh, the snake. Oh my god, it's chasing me. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Ah! He's gonna chase me. Oh my god. Oh, I'm crying. I'm crying. I'm crying. Okay. Oh wait. Amazing dance. Okay. Okay. Oh, look. I think we're getting closer. 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 Where's the king's staff? I think it's right over here. I bet so. This takes a long time. You have 2 kitty cats. The fire dealer's over here. I can't find the king's staff. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay. Ooh! It's right over there. Oh, sorry, Mr. Bear. It looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. It sounds like Prodigy. Let's pick up the staff. Yay! Okay. Freaking ads! They're so annoying. And also, and let's get right back home. I think I'll feed my family horse. I'll make Robert into, I will make it. Okay, now my horse is awesome, is me, and I'm gonna make a baby. Let's change the skin. And also, let's make a house. Okay. I go to the main menu. And, okay, let's okay. Oh my god! This is new. I can make my own house now. And what's that? Uh-oh. I need more money. How can I move around? Oh. I bet the case is on the loose. I bet we can make more money now. Give me. A soccer ball, yes. And hope you guys thank for watching. Bye.